this is a quick little video that I wanted to make because I'm still trying to edit the one that was supposed to go out last week regarding a screenshot workflow that I created using Keyboard Maestro. Anyway, this video is sort of a feature request for Keyboard Maestro. And the feature is already in BetterTouchTool, and I think Keyboard Maestro would be a lot more powerful if it added this feature. Alright, let me demonstrate it. Okay, so here is BetterTouchTool. Let's see if it started. It's not showing up, and I'm not sure why. Okay, here it is. So if we do a configuration, let's pretend that we want to have the mouse click at a particular location, right? So we're gonna have it go to here, this Apple icon, and have it click like this. Okay, so let's build a new workflow and call it, I don't know, option V. So there's the shortcut is option V. Now let's select an action. And I'm going to type mouse because it's a mouse movement. Okay, so here you have move mouse to a position or drag the mouse to a position. Let's try move mouse to a position. And then here it is. Okay, so and then I'm gonna say record new position. And this is what Keyboard Maestro needs. See, it says press space to capture the current mouse position. Good. First, select an anchor point. I'm going to select an anchor point relative to the top right corner of the screen, relative to the bottom right corner relative to the bottom left corner of the main screen, and then relative to the bottom right corner of the main screen. And I'm gonna choose here relative to the top left corner. It's this right here of the screen. So the mouse movement isn't gonna be very much. So I'm gonna say relative to the top left corner of the screen, actually. So this is not what I wanted. So here we go. Top left corner of screen with mouse. Nope, that's not what I want. There. Here, this one is the one that I want. Global position, origin, top left corner of the main monitor. So then I'm gonna drag the mouse to this position here, and I'm going to hit save or space bar, and I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to do mouse click action. I'm going to do a, let's see, a left click because my mouse is is a left-handed mouse. So let's try it. Option V. Well, it moved there. I just don't know what happened to the click. Okay. Mouse click action, left click. Okay. Let's try it again. So I'm going to do a option V. Here's the click. All right. So as you can see, this is the action that Keyboard Maestro needs. Actually, more specifically, right here. If I do where I can move the mouse, hit the space bar, and the mouse position is saved. So that's what Keyboard Maestro needs. Right now, Keyboard Maestro has this. Let's open the Keyboard Maestro. Here's the Robinhood daily screenshot macro that I have that I will talk about in another video. Let's go back to here. With Keyboard Maestro, you can choose a position of the mouse, but these options here, you have to constantly adjust if you aren't getting the correct, aren't clicking in the correct mouse area. So you have to constantly go back in and adjust these. And I'm not sure where I did it. I believe I had it set to front window center. So it just clicks in the center of the window for this macro. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please share, like, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And watch this video regarding the feature that Keyboard Maestro really needs. I'll see you guys in the next video.